students, in our college we are going to planning to conduct an international workshop on current concepts in hand rehabilitation. This hand rehabilitation will be very, very useful for your final year students and as well as PG students, right? So this is going to be conducted on 7th and 8th of July 2023. So resource persons are Dr. G.R.Physio, MPT, hand rehabilitation. He is a director of Manujil Health Care Academy, and Mr. Anil Kumar, DPO, Director Clinical Service, South Zone, Photoback Healthcare India Private Limited, and Manivannan, DPO, Manager, Chennai Clinical Facility, Photoback Healthcare India Private Limited, Odinyon, Occupational Therapist. He is specialized in hand and ergonomics from New York, and Mr. Sabari Girish Ambed is a hand and microvascular surgeon. So these 5 resource persons are going to be there with us in 7th and 8th of July for international workshop on current concepts in hand rehabilitation. It will be a great knowledge for you people to finish your final year and for your future. Thank you.
So we use our hands in almost all of our activities of daily living. Hand is very, very important to perform our ADL activities. So a person with an injured hand generally feels is incomplete. The rehabilitation process of hand is very, very important. Hence, a physiotherapist must be aware of all the techniques used to assess the hand rehabilitation as well as to plan the treatment session. So hence the Faculty of Physiotherapy, Department of Orthopedics, Dr.M.G.R. Educational Research Institute is organizing a workshop on hand rehabilitation on July 7th and 8th, 2023 at the Basement Auditorium, ACS Medical College. I request all the students and the staff to join the event and make it a grand success. Thank you.
I am Dr. Nityanisha, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Dr.M.G.R. Educational and Research Institute. சுவர் இருந்தால்தான் சித்திரம் வரைய முடியும். அந்த சித்திரம் வரைய வேண்டுமென்றால் கரங்கள் ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. அதுபோன்று a man without the hand is considered to be the tree without the branches. So that we are targeted on the current concept in hand rehabilitation. We give warm welcome to all the national and international speaker on 7th and 8th of July. It's very useful for our students in the future careers. Thank you.